So y'all probably remember the $200 Cub Cadet. Well, my sister's boyfriend done it again, and now we got a Toro. Unfortunately, I don't think he's going to get as much out of this one as he did the Cub Cadet. These Toros ain't really that nice. Got the Courage, which were pretty bad engines. Some weird stuff they did with the exhaust right here. It needs a new exhaust. It's been set in a year, so we know we got carburetor issues, right? Some weird stuff with the wiring. Oh, this is lovely, guys. Oh, look at all those butt connectors. The exhaust has melted this off. We obviously got some bolts missing holding this on. Yeah, I don't know if this one was that good of a deal. Shall we see if it cranks? I did check the oil, and it just seemed to have good oil, so some girl will crank. Let me go down here for a minute. I'm gonna have to hold there by look this up. Let's see. I don't know what he's doing with all these extra grounds, but okay. There's another one. So he probably has these extra cables going to the PTO clutch. Is probably what these extra red cables are. He got it wired directly up, I would imagine, anyway. Why? Don't know. Don't know. But obviously, it's probably going to cause a problem. Hopefully this jump box has enough power. I don't know when the last time I charged it was. Alright, so let's see if it'll crank. Is it just me, or does it sound like I don't have my spark plug in there? It does. Huh. I don't feel like it has a whole lot of, it sounds like it has a whole lot of compression. This exploder might have already exploded. Let's see. Yep, look, no spark plug. Well, that explains that. I don't think that's the right carburetor either, guys. What the heck? What do y'all think? Massive piece of junk. He got a junker this time. This one right here, man. Yeah, this is a piece of junk. Anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Later.